Hello my dear VLSI aspirants. Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Let's have another design challenge. This is the design and we want to know the simplified output expression for the given design. What is Y? The simplified Boolean expression. And now guys, what is the output of this gate? It is A into B. Similarly here it is BC. And it is C, therefore ABC. And this one, it is AB XOR BC. Now the output expression for Y, it is ABC XOR AB XOR BC. Now guys, just like AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation is also there. Hence here we can take common, AB common. Hence it is AB C XOR 1. Again this is as it is. Now guys, in a XOR gate operation, if one of the input is logic 1, it becomes like a inverter. It is complement of the another input, therefore here you get C bar. Hence it is ABC bar plus BC, this XOR operation. Now here if you perform XOR operation, ABC bar whole bar BC plus ABC bar BC whole bar. This one guys. Now here when we simplify, it is A bar plus B bar plus C into BC plus ABC bar into B bar plus C bar. Now guys, here it is A bar BC, B into B bar 0, B into C, BC into C, BC, again B into B bar 0, and this is ABC bar. Now guys, BC is common, BC into A bar plus 1 plus ABC bar. Again here anything plus 1 only, hence it is BC plus ABC bar. Take B as common, then it is C plus AC bar. Again here by using distribution theorem, you can rewrite it as C plus C bar into A plus C. You can write in this way by using distribution theorem. Anyway, C plus C bar becomes 1. Hence here the final minimized Boolean expression is B into A plus C. So for the given design, the output expression is B into A plus C. Right guys? Again here, remember, in VLSI, you need to concentrate the design optimization, logic optimization, so that it occupies less space, it works for better for high frequencies, etc. reasons. Logic optimization is the very important concern in VLSI. Okay, I hope you like the video, and if you are first time visiting our YouTube channel Deep Silicon VLSI, please subscribe and extend your support. And guys, comment, please, we are expecting the comments from you so that we can give you the best of the best. Okay, see you in the next video. This is Shivram signing off. Jai Hind.